Let's go, Hammy. Time to turn a new idea into reality. Meet Kode. A powerful multi-tool built by makers for makers. Ever feel like testing and building your ideas takes more time than creating them, and you always end up stuck in setup? Kode is your Swiss Army knife for electronic projects, combining your whole maker desk into one pocket-sized device that goes wherever you do. Code in your favorite IDE, upload it, and watch it instantly become an app. Use your own apps, or explore what the community has made. Prank your friends. Build robot. Or even control hardware with AI. Make Hammy your own. Customize it with accessories that match your way of making. The more you use it, the more it becomes your companion. Play quick local games like Snake or Dino, or go online with friends for Fast Draw Duel or Pong. You can also track your PC performance, stay productive with a Pomodoro timer, and more. Use the built-in antenna to scan devices around you, control IoT devices, or even control your 3D printer. Use the integrated IMU to turn it into an air mouse for your computer, or control a robot with gestures. Use the USB-C port to turn your Kode into a U2F security token for two-factor authentication. The integrated battery can power all your electronics projects, sensor, motors, and external modules. To give you even more power, Kode has programmable GPIO pin. Experiment with circuits, build your own robots, program your own camera, and even use community projects as Meshtastic. With CodeOS, prototyping becomes effortless. Use your favorite environment such as Arduino IDE or Platform IO to program your ideas, and watch them turn into apps automatically when you upload them to your Kode. Treat it like a regular board. No extra layers, no drivers, and fully plug and play. Share the apps with friends or the code community so they can use them anytime, anywhere. Explore our docs with ready-to-run C++ examples for every Kode feature. Kode is an open-source project made for everyone, from beginners to pros. It's a versatile tool for everyday making on the go, and for prototyping new ideas with Hammy, your tiny creative buddy who's always there to inspire you. Back us on Kickstarter and get your Kode today.